In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a default email address for emails in Salesforce. This process will make managing your communications more streamlined and ensure that all outgoing emails have a consistent sender address. This can be particularly useful for maintaining professional correspondence or when you want to ensure email consistency across your organization. To begin, let's navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Start by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen. This will bring up a drop-down menu, and from here you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This section gives you access to more nuanced settings within Salesforce. Once you've opened the Advanced Setup, look to the left and in the Quick Find box type in organization-wide addresses. As you type, the options will filter down and you'll see it appear in the list. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're on the organization-wide addresses page, you're ready to add a new email address. You should see an Add button prominently displayed. Click on it and this will open a form where you'll be able to fill in the necessary details. In this form, you'll need to enter a display name and an email address. The display name is how the email will appear to the recipients and can be your company name or a department name, for example. Be sure to use a generic email address that represents your organization, such as info@yourcompany.com. This adds a professional touch and ensures consistency across your communications. Next, let's move on to selecting a purpose for this email address. You will see two options: default no reply address or user selection. If your intention is to use this address solely as a no reply option, choose default no reply address. This is ideal if you don't want recipients to reply directly, which is common in things like automated notifications or marketing emails. On the other hand, if you want different users to choose this email when sending, go with the user selection option. This provides greater flexibility for your team members who might want to use the address during specific scenarios. Finally, click Save to store these settings. However, keep in mind that you might need to verify the email address you just added. Salesforce typically sends a verification email to the address provided, and you'll need to follow the instructions in that email to complete the process. This step is crucial as it confirms that the email address is valid and that you have access to it. And that concludes the setup. You've now successfully configured a default email address for your Salesforce communications, which will help maintain consistency and professionalism in your emails. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.